Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Chatbase for customer support in 2026. Whether you run an online store, a SaaS business, or a service website, Chatbase can help you answer customer questions around the clock. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open your AI agent or create a new one from the dashboard. Next, train your chatbot using your website. Help center articles, PDF files, or FAQ documents. Yeah, the more accurate your knowledge base is, the better your chatbot will respond to customer questions. Now, customize your chatbot's instructions so it responds in your brand's tone and knows when to answer questions or hand customers over to a human agent if needed. This creates a much better customer experience. After that, add the chatbot to your website using the embed code and test it by asking common customer support questions like pricing, refunds, shipping, or account issues. Make adjustments if needed to improve its answers. Finally, monitor your chatbot's conversations and update its knowledge regularly as your products, services, or policies change. This helps keep your AI assistant accurate and useful over time. And that's it. You now know how to use Chatbase for customer support. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.